Guys, how yesterday I was arrange all the clothes, so with summer dress and also winter dress, winter clothes already under. So much clothes, so just arrange it there. And then how I make this one to fit all the clothes, I just put it like this. So I folding it into two, and then I just put it like this, the same way. So just put it like that, so I have more space, and also everything is look tidy, because normal I just do like this, and but this takes so much space. See, if you do like this, it takes so much space, so it's better to put it like this. So like this. Okay guys, that is how I do my arrange my clothes on every weeks. I arrange it so that's my cupboard is not so full. So guys, for the jacket like this, so I just put it like this, folding it, and then it's here, and then so like this. And for the winter clothes, I just fold it like this, so you can see. So like this, and they are going to the corner here. So here is for the winter clothes off. Just the same. And this is for the at home. I just put it under here for at home wearing. And for the dress, some are here and some are on top there. So here is for the dress for at home. This one is nice. You see it, I wear this so many times, and yeah, I like it. Just a simple, nice, just a simple. So the same way, just roll it. So like that. And here is for the everyday wearing, so I just pull it like this. And here is the pants, the jeans and the pants and everyday clothes. I don't need the new clothes every day because I just stay home and do my everyday daily mom. So I don't need shopping. I get this some for friend and some second hand, and some is old dress, very old dress. You can see this, I never wear it. This is old dress. I bought this in Singapore, and I'm gonna to show you how this one look like. But I never wear it again because it's too sexy. Too sexy. Okay guys, this is the another dress, but it's too open here. This one, how I put this one here is simple. Just put it like this. So instead of put it like this, then it's so much space under, then I cannot put anything else, and I cannot find the clothes. So if I put it like this, I don't like it. It's not tidy. So I just put it like this, and then bring it top here, and here you go. that. For the sock, I just put everything here in the basket, and here for the sock for the winter. So I just put like this, and then there, the sock. Okay. So for the t-shirt, it's just the same. Just fold it like that. It's like this one is small t-shirt. So just do like this, because this one is small. And this one, this is funny story. This actually long dress, but it's over sexy, too sexy. And I just cut it off here, and then I can wear for the top. Okay, you want me to wear it? Okay. Like this, guys. Be like this, guys. See it? Like this, guys. You can see it. Now with this one, it's not fit. So this one is need to be tucked in. And you can wear something else here. Okay, this is just the example. This is how it looks. You can also do like this. So it's a good idea. And for the rest, put it like this. Roll it small and put a little bit like this. Folding the inside one, so it's like this. So small ball. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and subscribe, don't forget.